Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. What we have here inside this box packaging is the Xiaomi Smartband 10 global version. On this video, we are going to have the unboxing review of this wearable. So we will check its design, the specs, and the UI. So we will check, we'll have the unboxing review of this wearable. So if you are interested to see the details, the design, the specs, and the UI of the Xiaomi Smartband 10, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and have the unboxing of the Xiaomi Smartband 10. So let's remove the plastic here. Okay. So we have here, I guess this is the fitness tracker. The Xiaomi Smartband 10. So let's put this aside. Then we still have another one here. A free strap for the Xiaomi Smartband 10. But it says here Xiaomi Smartband 8. I guess they have the same locking mechanism. Okay, I guess it's safe to say that your Band 8 strap will fit the Xiaomi Smartband 10. Okay. Next, let's check out the Xiaomi Smartband 10 packaging here. Still the same style with the previous fitness tracker, the Xiaomi Smartband 9. We have some details here on the side. 150 plus sports mode, multiple choices of band faces, 580M water resistance. At the back, we do have the details on the specifications. 5.4, Bluetooth 5.4. We have the specs for the display. We don't have it here. Maybe here on the other side. Yes, we have it here. 1.72 inch AMOLED screen display, high quality metallic frame, and long battery life. Okay, simple packaging here for the Xiaomi Smartband 10. Next, let's check out the contents of the fitness tracker. So let's remove the sticker here. So this is a global version of the Xiaomi Smartband 10. Let's pull this one. Okay, for the contents, we have here the fitness tracker with the strap attached. We picked the Mystic Rose for the color. We have the user manual, and we have the charging cable. The same charging cable with the Xiaomi Smartband 9, I think. What else do we have? Nothing. Okay, again, here are the contents. We have the user manual, the charging cable, and a fitness tracker with the strap attached. So let's remove the plastic here. So we have here the band. We have a metallic color. We have a flexible silicone strap. Okay, next, let's check out the design of this fitness tracker, as well as the dimension and the weight. So for the design, we have a metallic body frame here. So the body frame is available in aluminum alloy and ceramic frame. What we have here is an aluminum alloy with a metallic finish. The color is Mystic Rose. We have a removable strap, the same locking mechanism with a Xiaomi Smartband 8 and 9. Let's attach this again. Okay, we have a flexible silicone strap, and I think it's almost the same, I think, with our Xiaomi Smartband 9 when it comes to looks. We'll have a comparison review. Okay, so I think just the same when it comes to the size. Let's check for the dimension. So we have, I think it's 11.1 or 11.0 for the thickness. For the width here, we have 22.7. For the length, we have 46.4. For the weight with the strap attached, it is 27.26. Without the strap, just press, it is around 15.98. Again, let's put back the strap, just push, and the other one, and that's it. For the specifications, I'm going to list it here on the side, but before that, let's turn it on so we can check out the screen display. Now that we are paired with the support app, so let's check out the screen display of the fitness tracker. Very slim black border here, very good brightness, and based on the specs, it has 60 Hz and 1500 nits brightness. For the size of the screen, I'm going to put it here, including the other specs of this wearable. So we have 1.72-inch AMOLED screen display, 212 by 250 pixel resolution, Bluetooth 5.4, 233 mAh battery with 21 days of battery life. Then what else do we have? 9 days always on display, and we have 8 days of heavy usage. The color for the fitness tracker is available in midnight black, glacier silver, and mystic rose. What we have here is the mystic rose. It is available in aluminum alloy and ceramic frame material. What we have is the aluminum alloy, and it uses the Mi Fitness application, available on iOS and Android. And of course, it is 5 ATM waterproof rated. Again, here's the design of the fitness tracker. For the UI, on top we have notifications. On the bottom part we have the features or the menus. We have the settings on the left side, and we have the widgets on the right side. Again, there's no physical button for our Xiaomi Smartband 10. On our next video, we are going to focus on the menus and features. Again, here are the specifications. If you have any questions regarding this fitness tracker, drop a comment below. And of course, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!